Hello, I'm going to work on an alternative type of tong today. For me, fun, but also experimenting, research and development, but also to offer you guys another possible tong option. I rarely use square for tongs. This is 1/2 inch by 5 inches long. I have to recognize Gary Johnson of Mighty Sharp and William Mollett for their recent generous donations. My channel's been floundering, probably for a variety of reasons, which may include less than stellar videos, so donations are very much appreciated. I have to say that if you purchase tongs from me, this isn't how I would make your tongs, not yet at least, and especially the second half of this video, which gets more into the experimental phase. Need to get this orientated correctly. At this point, these are good tong front ends, minus scarfing, to forge weld on handles, though that's not what I'm going to do. I really dislike forge welding in my small gas forge and in my seated position. I just round off some of the sharper edges. So here is my idea. I want to use these pipe pieces as handles. If you're careful, you can form pretty good tenons, be they square or round, with just flat dies. So my thinking is to leave the tenons slightly larger than the inside diameter of the pipes. Then heat the pipes, fit them to the tenons, and then cold shrink them to make a secure fit. Still to be determined if this will work or not. Be careful heating pipes or tubes, and especially careful if you quench. I quickly realized that I should have left the tenons bigger. Oh well, I'll make it work. Cooling shrinks the pipe and helps some. I know what I said about forge welding, but in an upcoming video, I plan to try to forge weld pipe to solid steel in this sort of manner. This seems to help a lot. If trying this, be sure to use pipe with a decent wall diameter. When heating to adjust the tong, you want to try to be sure to not heat the pipes too much. You can't see, but as I'm cooling the handle ends, I'm keeping the pipes facing away from me so as to not have steam or hot water shoot out towards me. At this point, as a prototype, I can tell this tong is going to work, but I can improve upon the connection. The lighter weight yet stiffness of the pipes really lets me think this tong style has potential. Maybe sealing the pipe ends would be something to consider. I hope you're able to glean something from watching. Catch you guys next time.